Hello everyone, let's go to the 130th example. Make a Boolean function returns 0 when is no and or 1 when is yes. That takes an integer value n and returns whether that number is prime or not. So let's go to the program and see what is happening here. First of all, I am including the library stdio.h, which allows us to use functions such as printf and scanf. Then I am creating a void boolean int prime function. So what does that seems? We will return a void type value, and every time I call the name boolean will be equal to this variable. And then the parameter of our function is int prime. So I will receive int prime. Here I am setting an int prime and asking to you to enter a number. And then this scanf will storage the number that you type on the memory address of the prime. And then I will call the function boolean with the parameter prime. Here in the function we will have an int j and a control. Control will be equal to 1, and this for loop is the key of our program because the prime numbers starts with the value 1. So I am starting with the value 2 because 1 is divisible by, a lot of values, but 2 no. So we will check that if the value that I am typing, because a prime number is a prime that is a number that is divisible by 1 and by yourself. So if this number is divisible by any other number, it is not a prime number. So this is what I am checking here. Because the j is equal to 2. The j has to be slower than the prime. So I will run all the values between 2 and the number that I typed. And if one of these values is divisible by the number, it is not a prime number. So the control will be equal to 0, and then we'll print no. And if the control also equal to 1, we'll print yes. So let's go. If the prime remainder of the division with j is equal to 0, since that, for example, the remainder of the division of a number that is divisible by other is 0. So if, for example, prime is equal to 10 and the remainder of the division of 10 by 2 is 0, so 10 it is not a prime number. And this is why the control will be equal to 0, and we will break this for loop. And if the control is equal to 1, we will print yes, else we will print no. 0 and 1 as the question asks to us to returns 0 for no and 1 for yes. So let's go to the terminal and see what is happening here. Enter a number, 7. So 7 is a prime number. Enter a number, 10. 10 isn't a prime number. 11 is a prime number. 21 is not a prime number. 23 is a prime number. So this is all for this content, and thank you for your attention. Link for the script is on the video description, and subscribe for regular content.